Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video we are going to finally design our dashboard of our application where we are going to build an HD wallpaper application using Pixabay API. So we want 100k subscribers, so subscribe now. We are close to it. Now let me explain you what we had done in our previous video. So in our previous video we had added the check internet connectivity function. Means we are going to check the function internet, and if it is not connected then we are going to show an alert dialog. Now in this video we are going to design the dashboard, but before that I would like you to tell the all the dependencies that we are going to use in this video, and I am also going to explain you how we are going to and which dependency is for what. So begin with our video and watch this video till end, and don't fear miss any of this part, otherwise you will make the mistake in main dashboard only. So first let me explain you about our Android X paging runtime dependency. So this is for paging, means after some post we are going to hold our recycler view, and then again we are going to show the remaining post. Next is Picasso library. So this will we will use to convert the API images URL to an image view. And after we have Firebase Firestore UI library. So I think this will not useful, but we had written it. If we don't see any error, then we are going to remove it. After we have recycler view, as you know, endless scrolling. So then we have card view library, Android X core library. Then we have to implement Volley library to convert JSON response to an Java. Then we have Dexter library for asking the permission. Then we have glide permission, glide dependency. This will for converting the image URLs of the slider to application, and this is with this smartest library. So this is necessary to implement, but we are not going to use this glide, we are going to use Picasso, but for this auto image slider we need that. And then we have photo view. So this will add the zoom in and zoom out functionality in our application. And then we have finally auto image slider. As name is saying, it is images slider automatically. Then you will find one sync now button, but don't sync now because this photo view library need one more implementation in project level module. So in that we have to add this jetpack.io URL as a maven in all projects. So after doing this you have to sync our project, so you will ready for our upcoming videos. Now here it is showing some error, but don't worry, we are going to solve it afterwards. And now in our dashboard we are going to design the layout like this. So let me tell you, this will be our action bar. Then we will have auto image slider with a 6 slide, and you can change its text and image. And one note that our dashboard will be dynamic, means after every week or every day we can change our dashboard images. Yes, you heard it right, because we are going to fetch the images from Firebase to our Android application, and this will also decrease the MB of our application. So after we will have one text view, that is HD wallpaper, and a 6 card with this functionality. And afterwards we may add search bar in our application, but now we don't have it. After completing this course I will make one separate video for this dashboard implementation of search bar. So now we are not doing that. So first we are going to write in our scroll view that we are going to remove the hello world that text that we had written, and you may know why this gradient come here. So we had designed our splash screen with this gradient only, so I had implemented gradient.xml file. So this is that gradient.xml file, but we will change it in the images. In next video we are going to load the images, so subscribe to our channel. Now let me show you the implementation of this full thing. So first I am going to show you with a linear layout, obviously. So we have a linear layout with width will be match parent and its height having match parent, and its orientation is vertical. So now let me change this height to wrap content. So this will remove that warning, and after that you can see that here is our linear layout. And then we have one card view with width will be match parent, its height is 250 dp and its margin is 2 dp, and we have its margin start, top and end of 5 dp. So my layout margin 2 dp is now not much important, so we are going to remove this margin top, bottom and end. So here is our margin top, bottom and end. So we close it, and then we are going to give the card corner radius, that is 5 dp. So this card view will hold one slider, auto image slider. So to make the curve we had implemented this card view. So now we have to just implement slider layout. Width and height will be match parent. So our width and height will be match parent, and its background will be gradient, and its ID is image slider. Now close that slider. This much work we have to done for image slider in design part, but in our Java code it is much more important. So subscribe to our channel, and next we are going to make one linear layout which orientation will be vertical, and its text view will be app name means HD wallpapers, and its alignment will be center. We are going to use font family Libric, Baskerville gold. Then we will have text color of black, text size 36 sp, and height will be wrap content. Now here we are going to make this 6 box. So we are not using any grid layout because that need adapters and all that stuff. So here we are using a pair of linear layout. So here I will explain you one linear layout where then you have to just copy and paste it and change its ID according to your wish of categories. And after, let us see this linear layout. So linear layout contains of width match parent, and its height is wrap content, and its orientation is horizontal, and margin start and then top is 5 dp for first two linear layout, and last linear layout having margin bottom. So this will maintain the margin from all sides. Now here we have to implement one card view. So not one card view, we are going to implement two card views. So in these two I am going to explain one and then copy that card view with same activity. So here is width 0 dp, weight 1 dp 1, and height is wrap content, means this height that we will have in our image here 225 dp. So its height is wrap content, align it, make its layout gravity to be center. Then first card we have to add margin end, and in second card we have to change it to margin start of 2.5 dp. Then make its card radius and card elevation. Then we are making one image view with land image which is id, and match parent is its width and 225 dp of height, and you will get the full source code when we complete this series. So to get the full source code you have to write I want source code in description. I will give you the link and you will redirect, but once this series finish we are going to make it public in the description. So after finishing this series you will find the source code link in the description, and if you want now then you can comment me I want code or anything doubt or query so that I can send you the link. So first is content description, and then we have to make it scale type, that is center crop, then give it background, that is gradient. Now we have to write a text view, and in that text view we have to write id which will be unique. Then its width and height will be match parent, so we can add on click listener on that. Then set its gravity to be bottom, and its font family to be we are going to use in this videos, and give its padding of 10 dp. Its text will be land, its text color is white, and its text size will be 24 sp as regular. So you have to just copy this full card view and paste it again, so you will find. So here is our card view. So it is not closing now, but you have to copy this card view from here to here, and then you can see that margin start and convert it to margin start, and simply copy that and just change it its id and text. So finally you will design the complete layout like this with auto image slider, text view, 6 categories, and later we are going to add search bar. So this was the coding Android tutorial for dashboard design of our Pixabay API. And if you want the source code then comment me down below. I will give you the source code link so you can easily access it. Thanks for watching Android tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and comment me with subscribing our channel, so I will give you the source code. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.